Wait, how do you film slow motion walking? Let me show you how in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a video producer. I teach you how to film yourself so that you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe. I have new videos out every Wednesday. You can film the slow motion walking right in Reels, and it's just a matter of changing the speed that you're filming. So if you look on your menu here, the third option is 1x. That's going to allow you to change the speed. So you can change the speed to 0.5 or 0.3. 0.5 is a little bit faster than 0.3. 0.3 is the slowest. So if I change it to 0.5, let's set a timer. And then back up, get ready, into position, and then start your walking. You don't have to slow down your walking. You can just walk into it. And then when you preview it, you'll see that your walk will be slower. So let's try again, and let's do this at 0.3. So I'm going to change that to 0.3, and then I'm going to set my timer. Let's start this. And yes, I'm wearing yoga pants. Okay, so let's see the preview on that one. So I got disoriented there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna trim. There we go. Let's trim it so it's just the walking. So let's trim that one, and let's click on the other clip. Let's trim the first clip too. So press the scissors to trim it. There you go. So let's preview those. So you can see at 0.5 it's a little slower, but at 0.3 it's much slower. So if you want to film a slow motion walk, it's using it at that 0.3 time. If you want it a little bit faster, then you can do it at 0.5. So there you have it. Now you know how to do slow motion walking in Instagram Reels. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Or better yet, leave me a comment below. Please subscribe because I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!